Hey, what's up dropshippers, this is one product and I'm excited to share with you my top winning product of the day. In this channel we aim to bring you the best winning product to help grow your dropshipping business. If you're new to our channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can receive daily updates on our top winning product, and let's get started.